Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we're going to be starting on the Air Jordan 3's. Now first of all, the Air Jordan 1s, the 85s, the purple way, the metallics, those are going to be coming up soon. I'm just waiting on the purple thread. I want it to be nice and clean. I don't want it to be contrasting threads with the colors, so that'll be coming out soon. But today we're going to be starting the stitching on the Air Jordan 3's. They're going to be a little bit different. I'm super excited about these. I've been planning this for a while now. Now today, what I was messing around with was the back tab. Now if you saw in the previous video, let me know your favorite style. So I did more of like an ASMR, just cutting stuff. But let me know like what style you like to see more of when I'm filming. I've done like 3 or 4 different ones now, so I'm kind of throwing that out there to see what you guys like. But for today, what I'm messing around with is I'm gonna make a custom back tab. So as you can see, that's my logo. I'm just gonna stitch inside of it. I'm gonna be adding like the 3 or 4 little sideways little ovals, I guess you could call it, that go up there for the Jordan 3 tab. I think that's gonna be super cool. It's all just gonna be black stitching, so it'll be simple, clean. Now you saw the uppers on the last video, you could go check that out, but it's pretty much elephant print. We got ourselves black suede. The black python's gonna be on the back that I haven't shown yet. So from looking at it from the outside, it's gonna be black and you can see the red coming in. But if you kind of see the top, you see the top coming out from like the top where the liner is, you'll be able to see a little bit of the red. So I think that'll be a nice touch. But we got some cool stuff going on, as well as, you know, the crocodile that you might have seen, as well as the Nike sign. I really like the Nike sign on the Air Jordan 3's. I think it's a cool, you know, little touch. So I think that's gonna be cool. Also, become a member today. There's lots of perks, emotes, you got badges. You also get entered into winning a free pattern Air Jordan 1. So you definitely wanna check that out. Don't miss out on the opportunity. I'm giving away patterns every month, so join that today. It really helps out the channel, supports the channel. But for right now, what we're gonna do with this is cut out a little bit more materials. But for right now, what we got is this. All I gotta do is stitch around it. So this is all one piece. I'm gonna stitch the middle and all around that as well, so it's nice and clean. And then from there, I'm gonna start playing around with that, and then hopefully we could start stitching everything together. Now for the back tabs, as you can see, they are finished. I just really want to set off the detail on this. I really want them to look really cool, very nice, something that you don't really see much of. Now I'm also thinking about doing a red liner, just like the other Air Force that I did, where it was all white and then I did a red liner. I might do a red liner on this, I'm not too sure yet. Now as I showed earlier, I got the red on the inside and the black python on the outside. So when the shoe is like this, you're gonna kind of see the top flap and you'll see the red on the inside, which I like. I picked the red suede for that part to be seen, because I might go red suede on the inside of the shoe. But now that this middle part is done, I'm gonna finally be able to start to stitch everything together. So let's get to there. So I'm stopped where I'm at right now. I got lots of progress today. I pretty much got backed up though because of the quilting, but luckily I'm past that now. So first of all, we got the back tab. I think this is gonna look super cool. I'm really happy on how this is turning out so far. So what we got is pretty much this is the upper so far. So we got the crocodile Nike sign. We got the crocodile little eyelet right there with the python lace loops right there. We got the quilted leather, suede leather, elephant print. And you know, this is what it looks like from the side, and this is what it looks like from the outside. I'm super happy with how this is turning out so far. This might be my new favorite shoe, especially with the back tab, how that works with the logo. I think that's pretty clean, and I backed it up with suede leather, so that's gonna be very cool. But for the most part, you know, this is where I am stuck at for right now. We're gonna work on this the next day. I'm also gonna be working on the 85 Air Jordan 1s, the purple metallic, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you think about these. Let me know if you wanna see more of 3s and 4s. I've been getting more comments lately on people saying, hey, you should do the 4s, and I was going to do the 4s until one day I just had this random idea. Probably a couple days ago I had this random idea of just doing this, and I did it literally as soon as I got back in my office, and this is what I came up with, and this is what's been on my mind for a while, especially the quilting, because I want to do more quilting. I think it's cool. I think it kind of ups the quality, the value, kind of look at what it looks like. So I'm really happy on how it turned out, especially with like the crocodile Nike sign. Maybe in the next one I won't do the Nike sign, but I want to do the Nike sign just to stand out a little bit more, because I like the clean, you know, Jordan 3s, but I just want to throw this on. Maybe do a Velcro one later on, you know, removable one, so sometimes you can notice it, sometimes you could take it off and it won't be there. Something like the Oregon ones, if I'm correct, I think those are Velcro. But I am super happy with how this is turning out. Comment down below, let me know what you think about these. Let me know if I should keep on doing these, if I should go venture out into 4s instead, or if I should do a 3 for the next pair. But I'm really happy with how these are turning out. And also the shoe that I'll be working on as well is a purple metallic Air Jordan 1 85s. The purple thread finally came in later today, so I'll be working on that later as well. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about these, and comment down below what type of like video style you like to see me shoot, because I've done a couple in the past, so I'm just trying to play around, see what the best is, so you guys will like it more. My messages just came off, oh well. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Copy yourself some of the merch. It helps out the channel, as well as become a member. You get entered into winning a free pattern for an Air Jordan 1 in any size at the end of each month, so don't miss out on that opportunity. You got cool perks, stuff like that. But also my Facebook group is growing, so thank you for everyone that's joining that. That is super fun, as well as my online shoemaking course. Don't miss out on that. Learn how to make an Air Jordan 1 today. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.